Welcome to day 5. Lips. Get ready to connect mind to muscle. The muscles on the upper lip, lower lip, and using a little coconut oil, create a little seal, and then move both muscles together to create a fuller look of the lips. So I'm going to lightly touch together, lightly lift, lightly pull down, and lightly blow out a little bit. Start with a full inhale, belly, chest. Bring the breath through the neck, through the face, to the top of the head. Visualize. And exhale, soften the breath through the face, the eyebrows, cheek, chin, neck, shoulders. Follow the breath to the tailbones. Straight spine. As you inhale, roll left ear to left shoulder. Keep inhaling, lift the chin towards the ceiling, gaze up, full breath, chin high. Exhale, roll, right ear, right shoulder. Keep the spine straight, roll, tuck the chin. Inhale, straight spine, left ear, left shoulder, chin rolling up towards the ceiling. Big inhale, big lift, and exhale, roll, left ear, left shoulder, tuck the chin. Inhale, reach both your arms overhead, interlace the fingers, build your temple on top of the mountain. Inhale, full reach, full breath. Exhale, in the elbows, gaze to your right. Pull down with the left elbow. Inhale, lift the right elbow to the ceiling. Exhale, half moon to the left. Lightly lean back, pushing the head against the elbow. Inhale, both arms overhead. Full breath, full reach. Exhale, half moon to the left. As you inhale, lift the left elbow to the ceiling. As you exhale, lightly pull down with the right. Lean back. Inhale, both arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Brow, lid, ear, upper cheek, middle cheek, lower cheek. Plant, lift, exhale, soften. Brow, lid, upper cheek, ear, middle cheek, lower cheek. Inhale, plant, lift, exhale, soften. Inhale, lightly press the lips together. As you exhale, blow. Exhale. Inhale, wave up the spine. Exhale. Soften. Wave up the spine. Ignite the face, lift the lips. Exhale, smile. As you inhale, lightly lift the right side muscle of the nose. As you exhale, soften. Inhale, lift the right. Exhale, soften. Inhale, left side. Exhale, soften. Inhale, left. Exhale, soften. Inhale, pointing fingers on the inside. Lightly press against the bone. As you inhale, roll the fingers across the brow to the temple. As you exhale, back to the center. Add another finger. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Exhale. And then go for the whole face. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Large inhale, wave through the spine. So we breathe from the tailbone to the chest. Lift the wave of breath through the neck, through the face, activating the nerves in the face, through the eyes, forehead, top of the head. And as you exhale, visualize the muscles relaxing in the forehead, the brows, the face, light smile on the lips, soften the jaw, neck muscles, shoulder, chest, and follow the breath into the tailbone. Ending with symmetric eyebrows, light smile,